In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DKIM in Cloudflare. Domain keys, identified mail, or DKIM, is crucial for improving the security of your emails and ensuring they are not flagged as spam. It's a vital part of your email authentication toolkit, working alongside SPF and DMARC to verify your domain's email. Today, we'll walk through the process of setting it up in Cloudflare, which is both straightforward and effective once you know the steps. To begin, you'll first need to gather your DKIM details from your email provider. These details are typically comprised of two critical components, the selector name and the DKIM public key. The selector name is a simple identifier, often something like default or S1. On the other hand, the DKIM public key is a bit more complex. It's generally a long 2048-bit key, and while each provider has its format, it's important to ensure you have the full key ready. Once you have these details in hand, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the domain for which you want to set up DKIM. After selecting your domain, navigate to the DNS section. Here, look for the area labeled Records. This is where we'll add the necessary record to configure DKIM authentication. Click on Add Record to start the process. You'll need to fill out a form with specific information. First, set the type to TXT. TXT records are used in DNS to provide text information to sources outside your domain. And in this case, it will communicate your email's cryptographic verification key. Next, under the Name field, enter your selector followed by domain key. For example, if your selector is default, you would enter default domain key. It's important to note that you should not include the full domain here, just the selector with domain key. In the content field, paste your entire DKIM public key. Ensure it starts with VE DKIM1 P keys and continue with the long key string. There should be no extra quotation marks or backslashes around this entry. Cloudflare is designed to handle excessively long TXT keys by splitting them automatically, so input the full key as one continuous string. Now, set the TTL to auto. This tells DNS servers how long to cache the information, and automatic settings are typically sufficient for this configuration. Finally, make sure that the proxy status for this record is set to DNS only, indicated by a gray cloud icon. This is important for validation, as the key must not be proxied. Once you've completed these fields, click Save. With these steps, Cloudflare will manage your DKIM configuration, ensuring your emails are digitally signed and increasing their deliverability and security. Setting up DKIM helps protect your domain's reputation and maintains a healthier relationship with your email recipients. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.